Are you experiencing poor graphics quality while playing Roblox on mobile? How's it going everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can set the high graphics settings for a Roblox game. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. But so now to adjust the graphics settings on the Roblox game, all you have to do is just need to come to any game that you wish, and from the game page you just need to tap on this Roblox button at the top left right here. Now once you tap on this one, you'll get to see a few different options. So you just need to head over to the settings of the game, and from the settings you just need to scroll down a little bit and he'll get to see the graphics settings. So graphics, if your graphics quality is very poor, you just need to increase the graphics quality from here. You just need to go all the way to the high, and you just need to set the high graphics settings. And also he'll get to see the reduce motion, so you just want to enable or disable this option from here. And also he'll get to see the background transparency. You can actually adjust the background transparency from here, and once you have set this up, you'll get a best experience with the best graphics settings on the Roblox mobile. Hope this video helps you out. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.